Hey, what's up guys? This is Dom from MacMixing.com, and today I'm bringing you the Newer Technology Power2U AC/USB wall outlet. And this is from the guys over at Otherworld Computing. It's macsales.com. They have a lot of cool products over there. Go check them out. This wall outlet has two little USB ports on the side of it, and it's pretty cool actually. It's the only fully UL listed and approved outlet of its kind. So we're gonna go ahead and open this up, but we're gonna go ahead and install it and check it out, and I can use this now to charge my iPad. Just plug it right in there. And that leaves me with two outlets open. You don't have to worry about, using the power block and blocking an outlet or whatever. You can just plug the Apple cable straight into here. And so any USB powered device that you need to charge will work with this, and it'll work with any 15A circuit, which is most standard wall outlet boxes. So we're gonna go ahead and open this up and install it. I'm gonna get these huge honking scissors right here. And all right, so let's pull this out here, and it should come with everything that we need to get this going. All right, so there's the outlet, and we have a little manual here, and this is all it comes with. This is the back of it right here. As you can see, this is a block that goes in the wall, and then we have these little spring-loaded USB port holes. So basically, you can just plug something in there, it'll charge it up like that. So that's kind of just how it fits in there. So I'm gonna go ahead and install this, and I'm gonna do kind of like a fast install of it. I'm not gonna go through it all. And so we're gonna go ahead and get this installed. It comes with a little instruction manual, so I'm gonna read over this, and then you'll be able to see the installation process here. Alright guys, so I'm gonna have to cut the power right now because you do have to cut the power to install an electric outlet for obvious reasons, because I don't want to die. So I'm gonna cut the power, and I'll be right back, and we'll have this little baby installed right here. Alright, so there we go. It's installed, as you can see. This is a little dip right here as compared to down here, but it's because the wall's off. It's not perfect, so I can live with that though. But it's in here, so I'm gonna turn on the power, and hopefully something doesn't blow up. And then we'll go ahead and test it out. Alright guys, so got it installed. I didn't die. The power's back on in this room. And from what I've tested, my Apple battery charger, the plugs are all working. I don't know if you guys can see that light down there, that light right there on my little Apple battery charger guy. But I'm gonna go ahead and try. I have this little powered USB hub. It's, whatever. It's just a little USB hub that has a power connector to it that I can plug into here. I'm gonna plug this in first before I go plug in something in like my iPhone, just to make sure that it's working. So we're gonna pull that open, and bam, we have a green light, as you can see right there. We have a green light. It seems to be working just fine. Let's go ahead and plug in my iPhone. Make sure that it's working. And I'll turn on my sound so you guys can hear the charging noise. So now I never need a power block. I can just take my plug in the bottom of my phone right here, and get ready for the noise. There you go. So my battery is charging, and it's just plugged into this little USB port right here. And this is only emitting enough power to charge my phone, and you can see my little light logo on the back there. That's it, you guys. This is the Newer Technology AC/USB outlet, and it's the only UL listed outlet like this. As you can see, everything's working great. Got my iPhone charging. Now I can just kind of set it in the corner down there and let it charge? No, I probably won't, but my iPad I can just set in the corner, and I probably will use it for that. So thanks again, guys. Go check out the website, macsales.com. That's where this came from. They have a whole bunch of other cool products for Apple devices and iPhones, iPads, MacBooks, anything, you guys. macsales.com. It's pretty cool. Thanks again, guys. Please click this button and subscribe. And our Twitter link is here. Our Facebook link is here. So thanks again, guys. This is Dom from MacMixing.com, and have a great day.